So, on our previous video, tinuro ko sa inyo yung multi-pressure evaporator system. So, this one is the best way for you to understand yung ating system. Okay? So, yan. You have 3 evaporators and then 3 compressors and then 3 expansion valves. Okay natin. You have you have here a condensing temperature of 40 degrees Celsius of ammonia as refrigerant. Yan. Now, you have your first evaporator at 70 tons capacity and 5 degrees Celsius temperature. Your first compressor is here. We name that as compressor A. You have a negative 5 degrees Celsius evaporator with 50 tons of capacity. This is expansion valve A, expansion valve B. And your final evaporator is at negative 10 degrees Celsius. And that is 60 tons in capacity. Now, ano yung magiging ano yung mga magiging conditions and phases ng ating refrigerant at different points for us to understand. Now we have 3 evaporators. Three expansion valves, 3 compressors. At this point, okay, this one, and this one. Ano ang refrigerant mo dyan? Anong phase? So yung refrigerant at this point, we name this as point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, and point 6. This is point 7. 7 pa rin naman to. 7 ito. 7 ito. Okay? This is 8. Expansion valve. 9 and 10. So, as you can see here, ang condition ng iyong vapor or iyong refrigerant is saturated. Sa points 1, 3, and 5. This is the low pressure side and the low temperature sides. Now, in here, sa mga points na ito, and in here, ang condition ng iyong refrigerant ay superheated vapor. And they are high pressure sides and high temperature kasi papasok sila dito sa iyong condenser. Now here, sa point na ito, what will the refrigerant be? So the refrigerant is a saturated liquid. Yan, saturated liquid ang refrigerant mo. And here, sa mga points na ito, and in here, the refrigerant is a wet mixture. So, mas maganda na i-drawing natin sila dun sa ating pH diagram. But for now, let us determine yung mga points pa dyan na kulang. So, this one, this is the total heat reject. coming out of your condenser. Now, in here, this is QA at point A. Ito naman yung QA at point B. This is now the QA at point C. Now, the total heat that is absorbed by your refrigerant is QA A plus QA B plus QA C. Now, sa power naman ng compressor, ito yan. Compressor power at A, compressor power at B, compressor power at C. Now, yung total naman sa iyong compressor will be yung power ni compressor A plus power ni compressor B plus power ni compressor C. Now, for system balancing, laging si QA total plus work ni compressor total, that is equal to the QR total. Take note of this. Okay? Yun lang po yung mga points na di-determine natin dyan. What better way for us to understand it is to make a pH diagram. Okay, let me make a pH diagram. Baguhin natin yung ating pen. Yan, pwede na yan. And then we have 10 points there. This is your point 1. Yung point 3 nyo nandito. And point 5. Pare-pareha silang saturated. Now, let us trace this back. At 5 degrees Celsius. We trace this back. This is P at negative 5 degrees Celsius. And this one, P at negative 10 degrees Celsius. Now, ano yung hahabulin nilang pressure? Yung pressure ni 40 degrees Celsius. Pre-condenser. P-con at 40 degrees Celsius. Now, magkakaibang compressor yan. The first isentropic line will be fall on here. Palagay natin nandito siya. This is 0.5 and 6. And the second will be fall in here. Trace na natin. Yan. And the third one will be from here. Yan. So, going back, andito yung point na kung saan magiging liquid siya. Saturated liquid, ano yan? That is 0.7. Erase natin. Yan. So, this is isenthalpic or throttling process. Ibig sabihin, yung points 8, 9, and 10 are here. And then going to your evaporator, that is -10. I-trace mo rin dito, solid line yan, para magkaroon ka ng flow. 10 degrees Celsius, this is -5 degrees Celsius. This is 5 degrees Celsius. And this is 40 degrees Celsius. Nasaan ang 1 dyan? Nandito. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Nagkakaiba lang yung kanilang diagram ha. Ganito ako mag-diagram. Hindi natin sinusunod yun nandun sa book. So, this is 6. Pwede rin naman dito yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pero, magsimula ka doon sa evaporator na mayroong pinakamataas na temperature. Doon ka parati magsimula. Okay? Take note, magsisimula ka parati ng iyong notation or numbering sa evaporator na may pinakamataas na temperature. Siyempre, siya rin yung may pinakamataas na pressure. So, dito, hahanapin natin yung mga points na yan. How will we find it? Tandaan mo na si H1 is Hg at T is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. H2 is equal to Hg at T is equal to -5 H2 tuloy. Hindi siya H2. That is H3. H3. Hg at 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. H4, H5 is Hg at T is equal to, ano nga hanapin natin dyan? T is equal to -10 degrees Celsius. Kailangan mahanap natin yung mga values na yan. And ano pa po ba yung dapat nating hanapin? Okay. Dito sa kabilang side, hanapin natin si Sg. Kailangan natin si Sg. Sg at kailangan natin hanapin si S1 is equal to S2. That is Sg at 5 degrees Celsius. Si S3 is equal to S5 equal to Sg at S5 tuloy. S4. This is S4 ha. S4. Sg at -5 degrees Celsius. S5 is equal to S6. That is equal to Sg at -10 degrees Celsius. Yan yung mga dalawa nating hahanapin sa chart. Anong pa po ba yung mga mahanap natin sa chart? Meron pa. Ang dami pa dyan. Oh. Sa H7. H7 is equal to H8 is equal to H9 is equal to H10. Kasi that is throttling process and that is also equal to HF at 40 degrees Celsius. Sa ammonia yan. Mahanap na natin. Ano lang ang problema natin? Si H2, si H4, si H6. Madali na po yan. You just look at your refrigerant tables. So, let me check my refrigerant tables. Ano ba nauna? 5 degrees Celsius ni ammonia. Okay, ammonia properties of liquid. So, H5. H5 tuloy. 5 degrees Celsius. I-lighten natin. So, ang kailangan natin is Sg and Hg. Hg and Sg. Huwag natin kunin yung pressure. Andiyan na yan. Pwede naman lista yan mamaya. Hg. That is 1466.84. 1466.84. 5.66.84 kilojoules per kilogram. Okay, yung S1 naman, SG yan. SG, yun, 5.5545. That is 5.5545 kilojoules per kilogram degree Kelvin. Okay na yun. Hanapin natin si H3. HG naman at negative 5 degrees Celsius. O, highlight natin. HG. 1456.15. 1456.15 kilojoules per kilogram. How about SG? SG niya is 5.6856. 5.68.56. 5.6856 kilojoules per kilogram degree Kelvin. Negative 10 naman. Highlight ulit natin. That is 1450.22. 1450.22 kilojoule per kilogram. How about yung S5? That is 5.755. 5.7550 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. O, yan yung mga points na hanapin nyo. And how about 40 degrees Celsius? Hanapin nga natin si 40. Highlight natin. Ayun. That is 1490.42. 1490.42 kilojoules per kilogram. Oops, meron na tayong, check natin. Meron tayong 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hahanapin na lang natin si H2. We find the for superheated vapors naman. Paste natin dito yung chart. Yan. Chart, no? So, hanapin mo yung pressure niya. At, hindi na pala. Hindi na kailangan. So, nagmula siya sa, tama ba? Negative 5. O, tama. Hanapin mo si negative 5. Pressure pala. Kailangan natin ng pressure. Dalawang point ang hahanapin mo dyan. Pinagmulan niya is, hanapin mo si pressure ni 5. Pressure ni 5. 5. 516.87. So, nandito yung 516.87 atm. Hanapin mo rin yung pressure niya dito kay negative 5. 355.71. Yung negative 10, 291.57 dpa. Yan, okay na. Lagay mo dito. 291, 300. Bali nandito yun. Unahin natin itong si pinakamataas na pressure, 516. 516, mga nandito. So, trace mo dito. 516. Ayan. 516.87. Nandito siya. Somewhere. Oh. 516. Tapos temperature niya. 5 degrees Celsius. Yan, temperature. 10, 20, bali nandito 5. Okay? 5. Nagmula siya dito. Saan siya tatama? 5. Tapos 5.55 nandito. 5.55 itong line na to. Yan. Tapos i-red ko na lang yung line. Saan ba siya magmi-meet dyan? 5.55 tapos anong pressure nung iyong condenser? The pressure of condenser of 1557. This is 12, 14, 16. Mabali nandito, 1557. Mi-meet up na natin. Somewhere here. Tignan natin kung magtatutugma siya. Okay, dito siya nagtugma. What will be the enthalpy? Tansyahan na lang, ha? Tignan mo sa baba or sa taas. Saan siya pinakamalapit? This is 1618 na lang. Okay? So, this is 1618. Nag-meet siya dito. 1557. 1618. Ang una mo is 1618. Makikita naman natin system balancing yan eh. Kung tama. Therefore, H2. The H2 will be 1618 kilojoule per kilogram. How about H4? Yung H4 mo, saan po ba siya magmumula? Tignan mo dito. H4, this is 0.3. So, yung pressure at 3, tapos temperature at 3. Pressure at 3, temperature at 3. The pressure at 3 is 355.71. So, dito yan, 355. Somewhere here. 355. Ang temperature niya is negative 5. Negative 5 nandito. Somewhere here. Dito, negative 5. Trace mo, ano yung SG niya? Ang SG niya po dyan is 5.6856. 5.6856. 5.6856. O, somewhere here. Malapit na. Ay, 70. Yung linya. Medyo lumalaki-laki lang kasi hindi even yung aking surface. O, dito yung linya. Ngayon, anong hahanapin mo dyan? The pressure ni what? Condenser. O, ito yung pressure ni condenser. O, continue mo dyan. Saan sila nag-meet up? Somewhere here. O, palagay natin nandito. 160, 160, 163.5. Lagay na natin, ganun. Ito siya, o. O, ito yung point na nag-meet siya. O, nag-meet yung dalawang linya. Ito yung linya, o. Tapos yan yung linya, o. This is 163. That is 163. 166. Ayan. 1663.5. Ganun. Kilojoule in every kilogram. Ganun lang po kadali yan. Cha-chart mo lang. How about H6? Saan po siya nagmula na pressure? Nagmula siyang pressure kay 291 and then negative 10. 291. O, nandito na yan. Pagbalagay natin, malapit na sa 300. O, ayun yung linya ha. Just below 300. As negative 10. O, dito siya nag-meet. O, tapos ang kanyang SG is 5.75. Trace natin dito. 5.75. O, dito siya. O, yan, trace mo yan. 5.75, somewhere there. Tapos, saan niya, extend mo lang to. O, saan siya magmi-meet here? O, 5.75, somewhere here. Up, dito tumama. Okay, pulahin natin yung value. O, ibig sabihin dyan, H2 is less than H4 and less than H6. O, tama naman yung ating graphing. So, that is just below 1.7. O, pagpalagay natin, 1.6 yung 1697 o 1696, pwede na yun. 1697.5, lagay mo ulit, kilojoule in every kilogram. Tama naman, di ba? H2 is less than H4 and H4 is less than H6. O, di correct yung ating condition. O. Now, we all have our enthalpies. O, paano natin malalaman dyan? Sa graph natin. Tandaan mo that this is, from here up to here, this is REC. This is yung RE at B. This is REA. Ito naman, yung dito sa taas, this is ER. Itong buong to, ER ng ating system. Okay? This is the compressor work. 1. Compressor work. Hindi pala. 3 na pala to. Compressor work 2. This is compressor work 1. Okay? So, we can find all the conditions na meron tayo dyan. O, meron tayo mga exact dyan. So, let us first find yung refrigerants. Yung mass at A, mass at B, and mass at C. So, the mass at A, for masses. Mass ng A, hindi natin alam. Ay, saan po ba magmumula yan? Burahin natin to. Diba that is equal to QA dun sa A, MA, REA. Tama? Ano po ba yung RE at A? Extract natin. MA. Asan yung A dyan? H2 and H1. Diba? H2 minus H1. This is REA. Yan. Mahanap na natin si MA. Therefore, MA is equal to QA A over H2 minus H1. Oh, yung QA natin, what is QA? That is 50 tons, kung di ako nagkakamali. 70 tons. 70 tons multiplied to 3.5167 kilowatts per nating kilowatt. Kilojoule per second na lang. Kilojoules in every second per ton. Divided by H2. Ano ba H2 natin dyan? 1618. 1618 minus 1466.84. Kilojoule per kilogram. 70 times 3.5167 divided by 1618 minus 1466.8 and 4 is equal to 1.62 MA. 1.6285 kilogram in every second of refrigerant. How about MB? MB. That is QA ni B over REB. That is equal to, tignan mo yung REB. Ayan o. 3 and, ay mali pala ako, hindi H1 and H2. H1 and H8. Yun, dun ako nagkamali. H1 and H8. Let me correct it first, ha? QA. H1 and H8. My bad. Kaya pala tinitignan ko na naman yung compressor. This is H1. Balik na rin natin. H1 minus H8. H1 minus H8. Tama ba? Yun, okay na. H1 minus H8. So H1 is 1618. Hindi pala. 1466 point. Sorry medyo nakikita ko kasi iba yung nasa graph. 1466.84. Ano pa ako nakatingin? H1 minus H8. Yan common ano yan. Kaya be careful kahit ako nagkakamali. H8, that is 1490 point. Tama naman. HF HF dapat, masyado malaki. Mali ako nang kinuha dito. HF. HG pala yan. Sa 40. HF is, ayun nauna, 390.587. My bad. 390.587. My bad. Thank you dun sa nag-correct. Yun, kaya pala malaki. 390.587. Yan. Medyo nalilito ka rin kapag tingin ka ng tingin sa graph. Hirap talaga yan. Scroll down ka. So, just be careful. Pag titingin mo ng value. Kahit ako, nagkakamali. That is, kaya pala ang laki ng refrigerant mo. 1 kilogram kagad. 0.2287 kilogram in every second. So, QAB. That is QAB divided by H. Saan siya nagmula na H? Sabi that is 3 and 9. Yan. H3 minus H9. QAB, that is ilan tons yan? That is 50 tons. 50 tons. Tapos 3.5167 kilojoule in every second divided by tons. So H3 1456.15 minus 390.587 kilojoule in every second. So, ang magiging sagot dyan is kilogram per second. MB. That is baguhin lang natin baba. 56.15. Tapos ito, 50 tons. 1650. 0.1650 kilogram in every second. Yeah. MB. MC. QAC over REC. QAC over ano yun? H10 ata yan? Yan, H5, H10. This is 60 tons, kung di ako nagkamali. Ayan, 60 tons. 60 tons multiplied to 3.5167 kilojoule in every second per ton divided by H5. H5 is 1450.22 minus 390.587 kilojoule per kilogram. So, MC, buhin na lang natin yung isa dito. 1450.22. Tapos yung isa 60. Yung. So, the answer is 0.0 kilogram per second. Now, for mref, kung makikita nyo, mref is equal to MA plus MB plus MC. Total na yan. Papasok yan dito eh. Okay? Tignan nyo na lang yung diagram. At isang point, magmi-mix up silang lahat. So, 0.2287 kilogram in every second plus 0.1650 kilogram in every second plus 0.1991 kilogram in every second. The mass of the refrigerant is plus 0.1650 plus 0.1991. The answer is 0.5928 kilogram in every second of refrigerant. Ang laking flow na nito. Okay? For the work ng compressors, power ni compressor A will be equal to MA work ni compressor A. That is equal to MA H2 minus H1. So yun, no? Work ni compressor A. Yan, dito. 1, 2, 3. Pareho lang naman A, B, C. That is equal to 0.2287 kilogram in every second multiplied to H2 minus H1. Yun na yung kanina. Dapat maliit lang. H2, 1618 minus 1466.84 ata yan. 1466.84. Kilojoule per kilogram. Mamaya natin kunin yung sagot. That is kilowatt. Power ni compressor B. That is MB. Work ni compressor B. That is equal to MB H. Tayo magmula. H4 minus H3. This is 0.1650 kilogram in every second multiplied to H4. H4 is 1663.5 minus H3. What is H3? 1456.15. Kilojoule per kilogram. So, the answer is kilowatt. Mamaya natin lagay. Sulat ko muna lahat. PCB, PC at C. That is MC work ni compressor C. This is equal to MB tapos H6 minus H5. This is 0.1991 kilogram in every second multiplied to H6. 1697.5 minus H5 1450.22 kilojoule per kilogram equal to of kilowatt. Compute na natin isa-isa. So, 0.2287 multiplied to 1618 minus 1466.84, 34.575703 kilowatt. The next compressor, 0.1650 multiplied to 1663.5 minus 1456.1 and 5. That is 34.22, hindi, 2128. Ito naman, 0.1991 multiplied to 1697.5 minus 1450.22. That is 49.2334 kilowatt. O, meron na tayong DC. For power ni compressor, total. PCA plus PCB plus PCC. That is 34.5703 plus 34.2128 plus 49.2334 kilowatts. 34.5703 plus 34.2128 plus 49.2334. The answer is 118.0165 kilowatts of compressor power. Now, tignan natin yung total ng QA. Tignan muna natin, QA total is 70 tons plus 50 tons plus 60 tons. Multiply natin to ng 3.5167 kilowatts per ton. 70 plus 50, 120 plus 60, 180. 180 times 3.516 and 7. That is 633.006 kilowatts. Now, we can get yung COP. QA total divided by compressor power total. At 633.006 kilowatt every 118.0165 kilowatt. So, cancel natin tong same unit. Divided by 118.0165. The answer is 5.3637 ang COP niya. For system balancing, kailangan natin makuha si QR. QR, total. That is the mass ng refrigerant total multiplied to ER. Ano ba yung ER dyan? Ano ba yung papasok? Tignan mo na lang dito. 40. Okay, nandito. Anong H yan? Papasok sa kanya. H2, H6, H4, ERA, ERB, ERC. So, total mo lang naman yun. Mag-iisa-isa ka pa rin naman. Total. Kaya lang wala ka nito. Dadaan ka pa rin sa, dadaan ka pa rin dito. URA equal to M A ERA. UR B. This is MB ERB. Oh, ito naman, QRC MCERC. Equal. MA, yung ERA is H2 minus H7. MB, H2 minus, H2 tuloy. H4 minus H7. ERC, that is MC H6 minus H7. Saan mo nakikita yan sa graph? Tignan mo dito, pre. Oh, ito yung ERA mo. Ito yan, oh, yung from 2 and 7, ERA. Yung 4 and 7, saan nagmula yan? Sa B. Oh. Yung 6 and 7, saan nagmula yan? Bababa naman yan dyan eh. Oh. Diba? Yun yung C. Ba't ko ginawang 7? Diba? Tignan nyo ah. Diba? Take note. Take note. H7 is equal to H8 is equal to H9 is equal to H10. Diba itong H7 dito sa H8 yan? Ito H9, ito H10. Pwede natin makuha isa-isa. Store ko na lang yung mga value ah. Yung QRA. Ano yung MA natin? That is 0.2287. Multiply mo na H2. Ano yung H2 mo dyan? Ayan. 1618. 0.0. Minus, yung ginamit natin kanina. 390.587. 390.587. Yun lang naman mababago dyan, tsaka yung mass ng refrigerant. That is 280 kilowatt na yan. 0.7094 kilowatts. QRB 0.1650 yan. Mabago yan H4. Ano ba H4 natin? H4 1663.5. Tapos dito 0.165. 210. QRC. O, yung MC naman, that is, pabaguin natin, ano yun, 1697.5. Tapos, 0.1991. 260. kilowatts. Okay. Nakuha na natin. Hanapin na natin yung QR total. Na QR total na will be 280.7094 plus 210.036 plus 260.2064. The answer is 750. 750.9464 kilowatts. Okay? Now, for system balancing. Diba, pag-usapan natin, that is the QA total, yung lahat ng pumasok dun sa system mo, equal dun sa lahat ng lalabas. Or all the energy that is input to the system, equal yan dun sa energy that will be taken out of the system. Check natin. Okay? Nakalagay dito, QR total, that is 750.9464 kilowatt. Eh, yung QA natin, QA total, that is 633.006. 633.006 kilowatts. Plus, compressor power. Compressor power is 118.0165. Check nga natin kung mag-equal na 750, more or less. 633.006 plus 118.0165. The answer is, hop, 751. O, diba? That is 751.0225. 750.9464 kilowatt. O, di almost equal. Check natin yung ating. Therefore, this is system is balanced. Diba? Napakadali lang po ng pag-solve niya. O, impromptu ko sinasagutan yan. Wala akong mga notes dito. Ang meron lang ako yung diagram. Dinodrawing ko lang siya kung itatama. Okay? So, napakadali lang po ng pag-solve sa kanya. Ang mahihirapan ka lang is the finding of all the enthalpies na meron ka dyan. And then, dapat itama mo parati yung iyong pH diagram for you to understand the whole system. And I think that will suffice for today. I will leave you with an activity for later. And that will be all. Keep on supporting. Have a nice day. And have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.